In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image on a page using systemeio. Whether you're creating a striking sales funnel or simply enhancing your website, understanding how to insert images effectively can make a big difference in your site's appearance and functionality. So, let's get started with this straightforward process. First, what you need to do is log into your systemeio account. You'll do that by navigating to the login page and entering your credentials. If you're a frequent user, this should be second nature to you, but if you're new, make sure you've got your account details ready. Once you've entered your credentials, click on that sign in button to proceed. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's head over to the website section. To do this, hover your mouse over the website tab. You'll notice a drop down or options related to various components of your site will appear. For our purpose today, we need to head to sales funnels. So go ahead and click on that option. It's here where we're going to finesse your page with that perfect image. Once you're inside the sales funnel editor, you'll see various elements you can add to your page on the left panel. Here's the good part, the drag and drop functionality. Look for the image element in that left panel. It's as simple as dragging this image element over to your desired spot on the page. This feature is brilliantly intuitive, allowing you to visually arrange parts of your site just the way you want them. With the image element now placed, our next step involves customizing it. Click on the settings button that pops up next to the image element. This will reveal the options you need to upload your image. You might see various settings here for further customization, but we're going to focus on getting your image uploaded first. Look for the cloud-shaped upload button within these settings. Clicking this button will open up your file explorer, allowing you to select the image file you want to upload. A quick tip, make sure your image file is the right size and format for best results. Once you've found the right file, select it and hit open. Finally, all that remains is to click the insert button. This will place your image onto the page, just the way you envisioned it, and there you have it, your image is now an integral part of your web page. Take a moment to admire your work and ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for following along. By mastering this simple yet powerful task, you're one step closer to enhancing your site's visual appeal on systemeio. Don't forget to save your work and feel free to explore the other tools at your disposal to further refine your site. Happy building!